Review the evidence.
Yes, Judge. At this time, the state and defense has reviewed all of the evidence. The state and defense have agreed to leave the evidence in the marked file folders, which are numbered for easy convenience for the jury. The state and defense have pulled out defendant Bryan's number 5, which was the lawsuit, which I don't even think was tendered before the jury. In addition, the drone video jump drive has been pulled out since they have no way to play it, along with the jump drive of all the digital evidence that has been played has also been pulled out. We have left Courts Exhibit 3 inside because it's the actual stipulation, but we have pulled Courts Exhibit 4 out, which was a question for the jury. In addition, all of the transcripts regarding the 911 calls have been pulled out. The transcripts for Mr. Bryan's interviews have been pulled out. The transcript for Gregory McMichael's interview at Glenn County PD has been pulled out. We've also pulled out the transcripts from Brandon Berry's body cam, Minshew's body cam, and Rash's body cam. So no transcripts are going to go back with the jury. Is that right, counsel?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Agreed.
Agreed.
Okay. Has everybody had an opportunity to review the verdict forms?
Yes, you did.
I did, yes, Your
Any
Honor.
objections to the verdict forms?
No
No, Your Honor.
objection.
No objection.
No objection.
All right. And I understand there's no objection to court sending the charge out with the evidence.
No objection.
No objection. No objection.
No objection.
All right, we'll do that, and we do have, I think it's the original of the indictment is going out with them too. All right,
Yes.
sounds like we have everything. Anything?
Excuse me, does the original indictment have the grand jurors' names on it?
It does.
It does.
Did we
I will double check it right now.
It's the copy I
I
have.
thought, and it's been so long, that we had asked for their names to be redacted when the indictment goes back.
I think the court agreed.
The size of the community.
And I thought we had done that and agreed
We
to
did.
it, but if not, I'd like to move that we either remove the page that has all of their fellow Glenn Countyans named as grand jurors because of the possible impermissible influence that could have on a jury. It's a motion I normally do, and if I didn't do it, my apologies before, but it's an easy fix. And I do it because I have had juries before say they were related to or knew somebody on the grand jury, particularly in smaller rural counties. And it serves no good purpose to leave their names on there. It should have no influence whatsoever on their deliberations. So therefore, we either move that it be,
It's one page.
if it's just one page, that it just be removed from the original indictment.
No objection from the state.
All right, we'll go ahead and do that. So the redacted copy of the, oh, that's the original though, before we start tearing it apart.
Right.
Would there be any objection then, instead of tearing apart the original, to using a copy then to go out with that page removed?
No.
No objection.
objection.
No objection.
No objection.
All right, let's do that. We can just take that, it's the one page one. It's the fourth page. Just has the grand jurors' names. Okay, that's fine. I was in mid-thought. I don't know. All right, anything further from the state?
No, Judge, nothing further from the state.
Travis McMichael. Greg McMichael.
What are we doing about notice? Cell phone numbers or?
Yeah, I just want to make sure we got it. Greg McMichael,
Nothing else.
Ms. Ryan.
Nothing else, Your Honor.
I normally do 10-minute call. If you can make sure you give your cell phone number to the primary deputy, and that way we'll have your contact information. But again, if we could try to keep it as close to 10-minute call as we can, that would be appreciated. All right, we are in recess until question or verdict.